Okay, everyone. We are still in the Heracleon. Tomorrow we're gonna go to Israel, Tel Aviv, and this beautiful, gorgeous house. It's pretty dark here, so you can. Oh, there's Kitty. Kitty. Sorry, you can't see. It's pretty dark here, but our host house right there has a Christmas lights. And our host and his beautiful girlfriend, they left for Cyprus today for their New Year's vacation. And here you can see beautiful olive tree. And there is Kitty. There Kitty comes. Yeah, right there. Oh, just disappeared. And we're walking now to the our host's private winery. If you are walking along these walls, then it's beautiful, can't see, sorry, olive trees and lights. There is staircase, and right behind the staircase you can see dark Matthew waving at us with water bottle. We're gonna fill up that water bottle with what? Huh? We're gonna do what?
We have our own,
Right there.
we have our owners, these owners that have their own,
Smell this room.
oh, the smell is amazing, magical.
Okay.
They have a wine cellar, so,
I didn't even show them. It was secret.
I think they're about to find out.
Alright. These are. Tell us about this.
Well, I mean, they're obviously, they're barrels, wooden barrels, they're supposedly, original, at least some of them are Jack Daniels barrels.
Yeah, let's figure out which one is Jack Daniels barrel.
But that's,
Some barrels are really old, like you can see a rust bottom.
I think these two.
But to me, this one looks older.
Okay. Yeah, we don't know. He said the wine in these three, the top three, are newer.
Top three are newer.
This one is supposed to be a mix of 19-year and 5-year, aged in the Jack Daniel barrel, and it definitely,
You can see top right here. Seems like they pour wine through this.
definitely tastes.
And this is the faucet they can use to have some wine from the barrel.
So it's like info on wine.
Really? I have some paper for
Yeah.
information of wine, which one is older, which one is newer. And
So before we fill that out real quickly, we should show this. They also
yeah, in this beautiful room, has different type of container, big container, like half tall of Matthew. Half tall of Matthew sounds alright.
half height.
Half height of
Half
Matthew.
as tall.
Half as tall as Matthew.
Half ass.
Half ass.
Half as tall.
If you come closer to this barrel, it's so dark you can't see, but they have homemade olive oil.
Yeah, you can't really see it on camera.
The smell is gorgeous. You never smell like this kind of olive oil.
What do you smell?
Smells like oil, but really fresh olive too. Oh, you guys never even tried real olive, huh? Come to Greece!
Don't eat the fresh olives.
Exactly. These barrels are amazing.
There's that. So,
Oh,
ready? So this is the barrel that we've been given. So we can try it. So I'll just do a little sample.
beautiful scent. Stop.
All right. So
Isn't that heaven? You can just have your homemade wine from these barrels any time. Okay,
so
tell me,
much more
sommelier, how does it taste? Say something nice and funny.
yeah, no pressure.
Okay.
It's clearly no expert, but yeah, I better try one.
Okay.
Really acidic, really old red wine. I think a lot of people wouldn't like this at first blush. They wouldn't like the first sample of it, the first taste, but it's kind of tangy, kind of citrusy. And it's got so much whiskey and rum and bourbon in it. I think that's from the wood, but we haven't had any other red wine taste quite like this.
Yeah, it's amazing here.
And that's kind of... Now we're not supposed to do this. Oh.
Of course not.
Different color.
It's not show us the color.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's a little light, I guess. Pinker.
Ooh. That's just red wine. It's just table wine. Try that.
I'll try it. I'm gonna try it.
You said no.
I'm not gonna be on the video.
Don't be shy. It's totally different, right?
Oh,
That tastes flat after.
what is it?
Yeah.
There is no fermentation.
Try that one. I don't think there's an alarm down here, so. There you come out. There you go. Just a sample. All right. Color?
It's similar to this. And,
It's even lighter. What do you
I
think?
can taste grape.
And this one?
Because it's too young. Like, it tastes like fruit.
Oh yeah, that's juicy.
It's grape,
Sure.
but no sugar.
Hmm.
Wow, amazing.
Try this one.
We're a thief. Wine thief. Okay, stop.
Color? Darker. Might be a little.
Michael will shocked when, by the time he can check our blog, saw this video, if he had any
That's better.
chance.
Let's calm down a bit.
Okay. So I think this is the newest. This one.
Yeah.
And
Oh.
this one next. This one next.
This might be.
White wine.
Wine.
Oh my god. They even have white wine here. I love this
Try
room.
that. Yeah. Tastes like white. What's that?
No, not totally good.
Juice.
I love this guy. He's gonna try all these barrels.
That's a
It's
pretty
really
color.
light.
Yeah, that's a whiskey bourbon, the golden color. Oh, smell that. That's the good stuff. That's the special one.
The first night we had this one.
We should steal that.
Honey.
No.
Michael, we can.
Can't put that on the line.
Holy.
It's liquid gold.
Oh.
Try that. Hold on. Let me get your expression.
Smells like real whiskey.
She is not a big drinker.
Smells like whiskey. Seriously.
Yeah, that's the one that he gave us the first night.
See, I told you this barrel was really good.
Oh my.
Everyone, this is it. Really good.
That's really good. Try that one. Go for it. Just a little. Flip it up.
We can't.
Oh, there we go.
What if it's empty?
Okay. Okay. And high note traces.
Pretty color.
Okay.
There is
What?
something.
Let me see.
I hope they're not flies or... They're flies.
Yeah.
I don't want to drink it.
Toss that out. Brave.
Tastes good.
Yeah.
Don't drink fly. Not bad, but it's not like winey taste. Definitely try that one out. But, hon, okay, let's say bye.